Several states in the Northeast are digging out after a major snowstorm. One of the hardest hit states is Rhode Island, which got more than 30 inches of snow. The snow's so high in some areas, there are even reports of snowplows getting stuck. A travel ban is in place and will be reassessed this morning. The Boston area also hit hard with more than 2 feet of snow. You can see cars here stranded on the highway. Governors in more than 7 Northeast states have declared a state of emergency. Wild stuff there, Matt.
Yeah, there were spots where plows were ordered not to plow anymore till the system was over with. Widespread 20 to 30 inches. At Central Park, they got up with like 22 inches. The Bronx had over 25 inches of snow. And how about this? Providence, Rhode Island set a new record for the most snow ever in a snowstorm. It beat out the blizzard of 1978. Just incredible. They had almost 30 inches of snow in Providence, Rhode Island. This was a major storm, and you can see kind of the evolution of it last 24 hours. Just a lot of heavy snow coming off the ocean. You got all that moisture coming in. This low really deepened, so we had that nice hook to it with all, I mean, it was almost like something like our lake effect bands that we get, where persistent snow is coming in that band just north of that low into areas of Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut as well. That system's outbound, and my goodness, it left a lot of snow. On top of that, a lot of wind out in the Northeast as well.